I thought it was a picture. How the fuck? I don't like this hands-free stuff because you never know what this thing might catch.
Catch these nuts.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you.
We got 10 stops.
10 stops.
When boarding, please move to the center of the car. This is your red line train to Glen.
Yeah, you better go to the mall.
Next stop is Tacoma.
And look around.
My legs just got a workout. Bro.
Yes, bro.
My legs feel stronger.
Calf muscles up there. Yeah, my calf muscles extra strong. I did it for y'all because I was already tired. We're gonna see that when we get to the mall because it's a long walk.
No thanks. That don't look dirty.
It's okay.
Bro, like, are you making a documentary? Costco. You know you don't shop at no Dick's. You wanna go on Route 21?
No, buy nothing for you. They just gonna shop it.
Store closing. They running out of business.
Yeah. People started to realize. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, they ain't even got nothing.
They don't have nothing to regular, so just.
Right, imagine they ain't got nothing now. Finish line. Let's go and finish line. These are pretty cool. I don't know if I would buy them, but they're pretty cool. Ooh, these cute. Taiwan. Look. $25%. Reeboks are in style, y'all. If y'all gonna get some Reeboks, that's my vest. Hey, we ain't trying to get no copyright, y'all. We gonna be right back. Why you look back like that?
That's what they talking about. They look like that.
What they say?
When we go first?
Let's walk past. This sounds junky. Excuse the junkiness. We gonna be back.
Here goes my store. Even though I'm not gonna buy nothing out of here, but still. Zoomies. Go to the shining so bright.
Hey guys, welcome to Zoomies.
Hey. Alright guys, we just left out of
Where we left out of?
I have no idea. But hold on. It was like a phone case store or whatever. I was trying to buy this all red phone case. He said it was $25, but I was trying to get him to work with me. Yeah, get it down to like 20. I was willing to give him $20 when I know I can go on Amazon and get a red case for $10, $5 even. I was like, can you do 20? He was like, nah. He kept trying to get me to buy Joe something for her phone. I'm like, why would I want to spend more than $20 when I'm trying to bring the price down? Why would I want to take it
Right, that doesn't
up?
make sense.
What?
If you're trying to make it go down, why are you saying buy more stuff that's making it go up? I bet
Duh.
you want to pay the 25.
Exactly.
He's not even thinking.
And then I saw another red case. I was like, so is this one 25 too? He was like, no, it's 20. He's like, you want to try it? I'm like, nope. But we about to leave out this mall because that just threw my whole life off. We're gonna catch y'all in a jiffy. We're gonna catch you in a jiffy.
The jiffy.
Close it out, Joe.
We
It's a video.
We're on the metro.
Yeah, I bought this hat today. It's like
No, I've been there before.
my cousins took over my other hat, so I had to buy another one. And then they're gonna take over this one too. Oh, you look.
It's light. Where's that?
Is it down here? I look high. Y'all wanna see? Just a lot of graffiti on the walls. Hold on, the light coming.
The most random people be following me. Follow me on Instagram, y'all. Y'all already know. X road.
Her screen done. Oh, look at that. Wait. Your face look breezy. Yo, look at this, bro. This is my dream car. Mercedes truck. It's official. It's official.
$80.
Urban Outfitters. You said those 80?
Nothing, ain't too much.
$8, that's cheap.
Let me see how these look.
Let me see if I can.
Am I too Hollywood yet?
Too Hollywood. Wow. I think there's a little sales section. it's only female stuff back here. I swear, female stuff be way cheaper. Let me fix my grandma. Increasingly cheaper. I'm gonna catch y'all when we go into the men's section. What's up, y'all? We back.
Like we never left.
We ain't feeling too good.
Better.
The ice cream kind of made us. My head hurt. Her stomach hurt. She still eat ice cream.
I feel like we shouldn't have got it.
$5
For the small
for a little itsy bitsy cone.
and 1 scoop of ice cream.
Crazy. But we about to go to this little spot. It's kind of in a cut. Not too many people know about it. If I fall down these steps, I'm smacking everybody that's watching. So,
Oh my goodness.
we in Italy. Italy. We just touched down in Italy. Why am I saying it like that? In Italy.
I just jumped and this camera just hit my hip.
My hip.
My wrist.
But yeah, we just got in Italy, y'all. See?
We in Barconia.
Barcelona. My head's throbbing, bro. I like my wrist pieces. Not Reese's pieces. For y'all hungry mother. But we got a little walk. I'm not about to hold this. I'm not about to hold it the whole time talking to y'all, cause y'all want to be wrapped up. We want to get right to the point, right? So we're gonna get right to the point.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy.